styling gel is finished. I'm going to get one once I get to school. Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. My name is Joy, also known as, you know what's up, Miss Jovou. So guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to style this hair. I'll show you guys different styles. I don't know how many styles I can actually achieve, so let me just get right into the video. Please be sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Alright, subscribe, turn your post notification on, subscribe down there, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, this hair, I got this butterfly locks done on the 12th of February 2021, and today is 3rd of March 2021. By tomorrow it's going to be 3 weeks old. If you don't know how to style this hair, then you must definitely keep on watching. So guys, the first style, which is so easy, you just give yourself a side pattern like this, just side pattern, just stick some, put in one area, make it. My eco styling gel is finished and I don't know where to get right now, so I'm using this black gel. I'm using this gel. Please lay your edges and you are good to go. So this is the first style, okay? Just, just this is a box braid, like it was cut into box shapes. You can see. So this can be a everyday look for you if you're just going out or hanging out with your girls or stuff like that. I also do this way, whichever you like. Okay, then you can have it to be a center pattern. So guys, I'm not makeup, but I look good, at least in my skin. So this is center pattern. Then another style, I'll leave these two here and then I'm going to pick some. Then you get a rubber band. And I'm going to take one of it, so the rubber band won't show. But if it's black rubber band, then you're good to go. So this one in front, and voila. This is one of my favorite styles. Anytime I'm going to church, I just wrap my hair like this, slim my edges, and I'm good to go. You can actually remove this and you add it to this one, so you see where you're going to. You won't be disturbed by the hair. I just put it in. So yeah, this is another style. Just remove the one in front, put it in, and you spread it out and it looks like this. This time we'll have to turn this into a bun like this. Turn it into a bun, like make it this way, turn it in. favorite? Tell me in the comment section, okay? Just drop it down. So this is another style. You turn this into a big bun, and then if you want it smaller, if you want it big like this, your choice. So this is a good style. Mostly when you're going out with your girls, like date nights with your girls, okay? Yeah. Good to style mostly when you're in school. Sometimes you just want to look good, like good. So we're going to do another style. I'm going to make this into 2 buns. Remove the rubber bands. Ouch, it's caught. There we go, another. So now you can use a rubber band or just use one of the hair and you tie it round. And if you're using one of the hair, tie it round. So this is another style. Now you can actually turn this way to have 2 buns. This is so cute. I love this style, but I don't take this to like church. No, you have to look modest even in your hair. This is kind of a outing kind of hairstyle. So take your time while you're doing this. Take your time while you're doing it. You can actually bring the ones in front, the ones here, this way, so it's going to pin. But if you don't want something to cover your face, you just want to look this good, then it's good to go for you. My go-to style is very easy, very easy. I just like the style, simple and good to go. Put your hair back. Then I'm going to take 2 from the back, this, and just his hair like this. Let me take from the front. This one here and this one here. And then I'm going to tie it at the back or use a rubber band, your choice. This is a very simple style for me, like it's so easy, just simple, no more stress, and this is my go-to. If you want, you can bring one, the 2 here at the front, go-to style for me. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, subscribe to my wonderful channel, turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, just also drop your favorite style, the one you love, your favorite among all the styles I just showed you guys. Okay, for me this is my favorite. This is a simple go-to, and the other one where you have to like gather it up and just pour it, that one is so good too. Okay, yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Still heaven.